Oh, but no ifs, ha? Number 2, take no shortcuts. No? Na may uba na magdali. Hala, mag-finance dito, mag-price cutting dito, kay gusto ma-promote. I'm telling you, kung inana inyong mentality, you will end up broke. Kay ako nang giagian. Do not go after fame. Mag-promote ka, katungod magpasok ka, now. Next month, wala kay cheque. Kinsa man na siya sala. Imo kay nagdali man ka. This is not a race. I always tell my downlines, it's okay to become an ED. Okay lang yun. Ayaw mong dali. Mo pito ng journey ni siya.
Yes.
Di man ni siya ingon na naglumba mong dagan. Then, muna siya no shortcuts. The third one is do it right the first time. Kana give. Ayaw shortcut, buhata, o unsa din insakto the first time. But remember, this is a duplication business. Kung imong gihimo, dili mao sundon ka, maglisod ka ng correct kung lawom na kay mo. That's why you have to do it the first time. Do it right. Wala shortcut. And then, ang kagwapo, do it with honor. Because it will mean that much when you achieve your goal. So when you become a GMD, you must, muna mo ba kita mo maghilak-hilak? Kaya dili sa yun ang mag-GMD, oy! So yun. But if you have no story to tell, mailhan. Mailhan ang imong pag-GMD na wala. Kaya wala. Kaya mo ipalit. Wajin lang me. No, do it with honor. Muna ako, maingon ko, I really encourage everyone, don't buy your promotion. Do it right the first time. So learn the system as quick as you can. Kaya nga naman, isang asa mo padulong sa kalibutan. As long as you know the business, the system, you can bring it with you. Morning na hitabo na ko. I learned the system. Wala ko apply when I went to America. Nag-migrate ko, I'm almost 20 years sa States. Oh, no, sa 18 years. Pero wala ko apply. Kaya nga naman, ikat-unang gininako siya. So, mao na siya akong last. I hope I inspire everyone and I'll see you at the top, okay? Thank you.